This is Joe from Cosmic Gardens Farmstead. Today I'm going to be transplanting some blueberry bushes that I bought. I bought about 20 plants that are 2 years old, and it takes at least one more year for them to produce berries. So I put some soil in here, and one thing you got to mix it with is some mulch, pine bark mulch, which is right over here. Okay, and I have some soil here, my mixture. I'm going to put a little bit of that in there. Okay, then I'm going to take some soil acidifier. This will help lower the pH because blueberries love a pH of like 4.5 to 5.5. And what's in this bag is elemental sulfur and gypsum. I'm going to put some in the pot, and then I'm going to mix some of the mulch I have. Mix some of that in there. Okay. Have a nice mixture. And then you get one of the blueberry bushes. This is a Chandler blueberry bush. You take it, squeeze the pot so that you can get it out. And then here it goes. Nice looking plant. Then you're going to take and you're just going to tease out the roots a little bit, just a little bit, not a lot, you know, so they can start, you know, spreading out in their new pot and they'll grow bigger. So you put it in, there it goes, and then I'm going to fill it with some more mulch. Here it goes. Alright. I like it to get straight, a little bit straight. Put that mulch in there. Shake it up a little bit. You don't want to go past the top of where the plant was in the other pot. Okay. And what I do is that's how I do it right there. And what I do is put a little more of this acidifier in there, okay, and then you got to give it a nice drink. Now blueberries, they love a lot of water, especially when you transplant them. You know, I've got to water these every day because at one point, probably before, you know, the fall comes, I will be transplanting these into a bigger pot. Of course, I do container gardening, and I haven't had blueberries in a long time, so I want to see how this goes. I've been studying up on it, learning, gaining more information about it, and right now this was my next step. All right, Joe, Cosmic Gardens Farmsteads.